Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and it's summertime again. And that means you're going to need dips for your chips and picnics and all that other crap. And I suppose if you're really crazy, you could probably dip some chicken wings into this. But this is my sour cream and dill dip. This recipe is easily scalable to what you need. So, 16 ounces of sour cream. Roughly a tablespoon of dried dill. Then you want 2 teaspoons of onion flakes. 2 teaspoons of parsley flakes. A teaspoon of garlic powder. A teaspoon of onion powder. About a half a teaspoon of salt. And about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of black pepper, depending on how much you like pepper. And me, well, you know, I put pepper on goddamn everything. I put pepper on my morning fucking toast. And then you just want to basically mix this around. Now, I would recommend chilling it at least 2 hours before you serve it. But ideally, of course, would be overnight. Basically, you just stir this till it's all nice, happy, and cover it with aluminum foil and pop it in the fridge. Again, at least 2 hours, but preferably overnight. And that's it. Sour cream and dill dip. Done.